As a fan, it's a really proud moment. Let me present to you the Redmi Note 12 5G. We are going to start another revolution. As the classic Note goes, 5G for the very first time. We got speeds upwards of 1 Gbps. The Snapdragon 4 Gen 1. It's bigger, it's brighter, and it's smoother. And we also made it super smooth by adding a 120 Hz refresh rate. I mean, after all, why should Pro have all the fun?
We are having a 48 megapixel AI triple camera setup on this. India is the only region in the world that we are getting a triple camera setup on the classic Note.
So the Redmi Note 12 5G comes with a 5000 mAh battery and 33 watt fast charging. We managed to pack everything along with a 5000 mAh battery in the slimmest Note ever at just 7.9 mm.